With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is any vector in an arbitrary direction can always be replaced by 2 or 3. A, B, C, D options are given here, so we have to find the correct option. So the solution of this question is we have the any vector in the arbitrary direction can always be replaced by 2 or 3 arbitrary vector because so the reason behind this because they together produce the same effect as is produced by the given vector. So we can say that arbitrary vector which have the original 2 or 3 arbitrary vector which has the original vector as their resultant. So this is the answer for the question. Now we check which option is correct here. Our option C is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.